Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can set your camera capture format to high efficiency or the most compatible one on your iPhone 15. Now, I don't have an iPhone 15, but it is the same, like it's still placed in the exact same settings, but I just own the iPhone X because I can't. Anyways, you are just going to open up your settings option, which is this gear icon here. So select it. Then you are going to scroll down until you find a photo. Well, until you find camera. If you cannot find it, scroll up and then go to the search bar and then just type camera and select this one, not the first one. Then you are going to go to formats, and here, as you can see, there are two options that you can choose from, which is the high efficiency one or the most compatible format for your phone. It says for high efficiency, to reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency format. Most compatible will always use JPEG, but 4K at 60 frames per second, and 1080p at 240 frames per second require high efficiency. So I like to use the high efficiency because it doesn't take up that much storage. I don't really have a lot of storage on my phone either, so I do recommend you using the high efficiency if you have less storage like me. However, if you have the more storage than I do, you can absolutely use the most compatible one. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really, it is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I will show it to you one more time just in case you missed it. Let's go back here to settings, and I will just scroll down to the camera options here. Camera options, and then you are going to open up the formats section, and then you will be able to either select high efficiency or most compatible according to what you want to use. But again, yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Hope you guys have had a great day. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.